incident like this will shaken the confidence a bit?
जो हमने देखा है early part of the millennium, वो तो लगातार 10 साल तक तो the rapidity at with which these incidents used to take place.
Do you think it's a message that we can strike you right in the heart of the city?
पार्लियामेंट से और सेंट्रल तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता है दुनिया में.
In your opening remarks, you said that our intelligence agencies and our forces have kept our regions quite secure, especially the urban towns. But incident like this will shaken the confidence a bit?
देखिए, जो हमने देखा है early part of the millennium, वो तो लगातार 10 साल तक तो the rapidity at with which these incidents used to take place was something which used to dent our confidence completely. अभी तो एक इस तरह का इंसिडेंट है और वो भी कंफर्म नहीं हुआ है कि क्या एग्जैक्टली है ये. हालांकि प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा भी है कि no, the conspiracy or conspirators will not be spared.
In case this comes out to be a terror attack, do you think it's a message that we can strike you right in the heart of the city? Is it to create a panic?
We have seen this before. We've seen this in 13 December in 2001. Parliament से और सेंट्रल तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता है दुनिया में. But that also didn't shake our confidence. No. And you saw we had Operation Parakram. Maybe Parakram did not end in a major operation or major military operations as such, but we took all the necessary precautions which were to be taken. And I think after 26/11 particularly, coming of the NIA, the issue of going in against the ecosystem. अब ये ecosystem के पीछे पड़ना जो है, it has to be almost a continued kind of a thing which has to take place. You cannot rest on your laurels and say that कि आज हमने इसको neutralize कर दिया और अब ये perpetuity के लिए खत्म हो गया है. That will not happen. This has to be a continuous thing, because as you are saying, मैं समझता हूँ diplomatically the government of India has taken a wonderful decision to go to the Taliban. अफगान तालिबान के साथ हमने अपना रिलेशनशिप बनाई है. A lot of people were critical about this.
Enemies.
हाँ, I was very supportive of the government of India कि भाई आपने बिल्कुल सही चीज़ की है.